女人每天勤练亲密技巧，只为了在新婚之夜讨丈夫欢心。然而婚礼前夕，她无意间听到了男人与母亲的对话。她真正爱的人其实是她的妹妹。她之所以选择娶她，是因为王子妃的身份会招来麻烦，她不愿心爱之人涉险，所以公开宣布与姐姐结婚。听后，女人极为失望。而妹妹得知自己将被迫嫁给一个残疾男人，姐姐却能嫁给王子后，以死威胁父母。危急关头，姐姐主动提出与妹妹交换婚约。
If you don't want to marry him, I will.
What did you just say?
I'll marry that cripple, and you can marry the heir. The condition is, all the manors, ports, businesses, and silvers from my mother's dowry must be returned to me. I want all jewelry from engagement gifts, plus 50 gold bars.
50 gold bars? That's too much!
If Vera becomes queen, that'll be nothing to Lecton family. Send out a few privateer ships, and gold will just flow back to us.
Aline, you're sacrificing so much for your sister. Anything you ask, I'll agree to it all.
Then thank you, Father.
You're my daughter too, Eileen. Of course I love you.
I love you too. Sister, we all love you. Love me. My mother's dowry saved this family from falling apart, but you killed her. I'm just taking what is mine. Eileen! Are you really going to give up the crown to marry that cripple? Lucian loves you so much! Love me? Everyone says they love me.
What are you still doing here? Take her away. Send her to the Marquis's bed.
3 years ago, when my mother passed away, my father brought his mistress and their daughter into the house.
Let me go!
Prince Lucian, what are you doing here?
I came for my love. Touch her and you mess with me. Eileen, will you marry me?
I will.
At that moment, I thought, finally, someone would save from this family. Are these all for me? No, they're too precious.
You are the future princess. You deserve everything. From now on, treat her like you treat me.
Yes, Your Highness.
I thought he was going to give me a home.
Here, I cooked this venison myself.
I thought I was the only one he cared about.
Why did you take the knife from me?
Because I love you.
At that moment, I believed what he said. But all of this
I love you.
is just a well-planned setup. Yes, I'm sure. But before the wedding ends, no one says a word about switching marriage. If the royals find out, you'll regret it. Don't worry, sister. No one will say a word. Until yesterday, I thought Lucian was my savior.
Mother, you know me too well. That's true, I love Vera.
What?
Elin is just a shield for Vera. In this palace, all eyes are on the throne. Even my proud brother Edward was ruined after he lost legs in an assassination. Vera's too gentle and weak for that.
What about Eileen?
Elin is different. She's tough. She can handle it.
This isn't fair to Eileen.
Every time I'm with Elin, I feel like I'm betraying Vera. I feel disgusted and want to run away. This isn't fair to me or Vera, neither, especially Vera. She's so innocent.
I disgusted him, and Vera is innocent? Lucian, don't you know? She wants to take everything from me.
Give the knife back!
You want it? Kneel and beg me.
Please! This is all my mum left me.
It's from the dead whore. That's cursed. Mother, I am sorry. Later, I saw a man being chased. I saved him. And the knife got lost.
What a pretty little knife.
Mother, the person who owns this knife saved me.
Hang in there. I'll get you out.
You saved my life. Tell me your name.
You mean it was Vera? She saved you? How can you be sure?
Before the assassination, I went to the Earl's mansion for Lady Margaret's funeral and saw Vera holding this knife in her hand.
I would do anything for her.
Even marry someone I don't love.
For everything! It was all a lie!
Elin, it's me.
Your Highness, it's really late now. Do you need anything?
I've been thinking about you since yesterday. I couldn't sleep.
Good act, Lucian. Fine, this game. I'll play along with you and Vera. I missed you too.
Remember, wedding dress fitting is tomorrow. Mother and I will come pick you up.
Okay.
By the way, take Vera with you. You're getting married on the same day. It'll be perfect for both of you. Elin, happy birthday. This is the newborn of the Horse King. Be careful, she got quite a temper.
Thank you, Your Highness.
This horse all the way from the east, through many lands. I heard you like white horses. I thought right away it's perfect for you.
You know me too well. Thank you, Your Highness.
How didn't I find out? Wherever we went, he always found a way to bring Vera along. He knew her so much better than me. Sure, I'll take her with me.
Elin, I need to speak with my mother. I'll be back soon.
As you wish, Your Highness. Wow, thank you, Your Highness.
Lucian, I can't believe I was blinded by such clumsy lies for so long.
Eileen! Hold the reins! I'm coming! You okay? Are you hurt?
Why so tense? Afraid no one to shield Vera if I die?
I'm fine.
I can't let you ride alone again. Come, I'll take you.
Your Highness!
Lucian, you said you loved Vera, but your panic just proves the truth. You can't hide your real love.
Your Highness, are you all right?
We're fine.
That's a relief. Oh, and thank you for the gift. I just said I wanted a unique necklace. I didn't think you actually had someone make it for me.
Just something I threw together. Glad you like it.
Threw together?
Your Highness, just leave it to the craftsman. There's no need to do it yourself.
She said she wanted something unique. Only what I make with my own hands is worthy of her.
So he's preparing a surprise for me. I should prepare something for him too. I always thought that necklace was for me. I even prepared a gift for him. I'm such a fool.
Your Highness, ladies, the wedding gowns are ready. This one, it's made from rare Eastern silk, hand-sewn by the head tailor himself, his final masterpiece. This one is made from a newly developed imitation silk fabric sewn by the head tailor's apprentice.
The first one.
The first one! I'm so sorry, sister. I didn't know you liked this one too. It's all my fault. Please don't be mad at me. Don't punish me.
Vera, which theatre class you're in now? You're getting good. When did I ever punish you?
Sister, please don't say that. Just punish me if you must.
Enough, Eileen! Eileen, why are you always so mean to her? She's your sister!
Lucian, we've been together for 3 years and you still don't know who's the bully here?
This one doesn't suit you. Let Vera have it.
But I like it.
I said it doesn't suit you. Give it to Vera.
Are you sure?
I think the other one suits you better, okay?
Fine, I'll take that one. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, sister.
Please, ladies, follow me.
She agreed that easily? She's never done that. Well, maybe it's good karma now. After all, she's marrying into the royal family.
Your Highness, how do I look?
You look very beautiful.
Your Highness, thank you for choosing this bridal gown for me.
So gorgeous. Lady Ailyn is the most beautiful bride I've ever seen.
Seeing through your
I have crafted gowns for many nobles, yet none wear beauty so naturally as she. Harlot, stealing all the attention again.
Aileen, you're so stunning. Your hand.
How did this happen?
Your Highness, some people get rashes to this fabric. Lady Aileen tried it before. Why didn't you tell me before?
Go get some medicine now!
Lucian, you really didn't know.
This is the first batch of the newest fabric, precious as silk.
It's so beautiful. Oh, so itchy.
How could this happen?
What a shame.
From now on, no such fabric in the palace.
I'm sorry, Aileen. It's all my fault. I'll remember next time.
There won't be a next time.
Aileen! What do you mean? The wedding is in 15 days. I'll have the head tailor the finest silk to make the same wedding gown for you.
Your Highness, it's all my fault. I didn't know my sister couldn't wear that fabric. Then I'll thank you in advance, Your Highness. Can't wait.
Fetch me a horse! Aileen! You again! Let go of her!
Your Highness, too bad we didn't catch you.
Lucian! Help!
You Karos ruined my family. Today, it's your turn to taste it. Losing the love of your life!
Lucian, help! Please! Your Highness, help me!
How could I forget? I'm just his shield to protect Via.
Your Highness, how do you like that? Losing someone you love? It's your turn now!
Hurry! Hurry! Protect His Highness, everyone! Follow me!
Aileen, stay with me! Go get the doctor now!
Lucian, you make me shield Vera, right? So why are you so flustered?
Helen, you're awake.
Sister, finally! His Highness has been here for 3 days straight. He hasn't even had a sip of water. Why? It's all my fault. If I wasn't there, you wouldn't get her. Shut up!
Aileen, I wish I'd take that blade for you. I was terrified when you were out. I didn't even realize how important you've become to me.
Lucian, you always says you love me. This is how you love me. You disgust me. Get out! All of you, get out! Your Highness! Your Highness!
Thank God. You're okay, Your Highness.
Vera! Vera! Throw knives at me if you like, I don't care. But why did you hurt Vera? Aileen, you've gone too far! Doctor! Doctor!
Your Highness, my head hurts so much. Am I dying? Lucian, you saved my life before, and now I've taken a blade for Vera. One life for another. We're even now. Poor thing. She's been unconscious for 2 days, and no one came to see her. Lady Vera only had a slight scratch. Her parents and the prince stayed with her the entire night. So unfair. Lady Aileen, please stay still. Why is it so noisy downstairs?
Are they holding a funeral for Vera?
Lady Vera is holding a ball to celebrate that everyone's safe and sound. Your parents and the prince, they both agreed to it.
Help me up. They revel in such happiness now, while my mother was usurped by the pair of them and died of grief and rage.
Austin, after everything I've done for this family, and you betrayed me? Even an illegitimate daughter? How could you do this to me and Eileen?
Austin loves my mother. You're the third wheel.
Eileen, I'm sorry. You must wait for it. Chance to take back what's ours, then leave this place. Promise me. Marry someone who truly loves you.
I promise, Mother.
Mother, I will never forget. Just 3 more days, I'll take back everything and free from all of this. No one's ever loved me. I'll learn to love myself. Lucian, you love sweet, gentle Vera so much. When you meet the real her, don't be too shocked.
Even when she's not here, your eyes are still on her?
Vera!
Your Highness, my head hurts so much from being hit.
Lady Eileen, you're still recovering. Just have the wedding gown delivered. No need to come here yourself. This wedding gown is far more important than my injury. In a few days, it'll be my ticket to freedom.
Where am I? I've been kidnapped!
Eileen Lurton, you've put your sister into a coma without a single hint of guilt. Today, I'm going to punish you for her.
I can do this. I must hold on. I'd do anything for Lucia.
Eileen of the Leetons, may your love always be blessed by the Lord.
I prayed in the church for 3 days. May the Lord always watch over you, and may you be safe, happy. I love you, forever.
Eileen, you're the first person to ever say it to me. I love you too, forever.
Lucian, you're the one who took me? Then for Vera, you'll punish me?
This will hurt, but you must remember, don't ever mess with Vera again.
She hurt Vera first. I can't show her mercy.
Not enough. Keep going.
Lucian, I won't forgive you forever!
Elin, you're awake. I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. Sorry if I look after you more carefully. No one would have had the chance to kidnap you and hurt you. But you hurt Vera the other day, so you've learnt from it, right?
Yeah, if you say so.
Don't be upset. Our wedding is in 2 days. I got a gift for you.
5 private manors in New Land. Ownership deeds for the Royal South Island racetrack. And
my mother wore it on her wedding day. It has the largest diamond in our land. Do you like it?
Thank you, Your Highness. Actually, I have a gift for you too.
What is it? So mysterious.
Something you've been dreaming of. Just wait until the wedding day.
I'll wait. I hope it's a gift. I would never forget.
It will, I promise.
Didn't sleep, right?
Mother.
Excited to take your bride home?
Mother, you knew it. I'm marrying Eileen to protect Vera, that's it. I'm just curious about the gift she promised me today. Bring the dowry, we're picking up my bride.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go!
You silly boy. Can't you see you love Eileen? Just marry Eileen properly, and everything can still be fixed.
Mother, you always said I should marry someone who loves me. Now I can only marry a stranger. But I'll never forget your words. I'll take back everything of you. And my freedom.
Eileen, the prince is almost here. What's taking you so long? You're not backing out, are you?
No.
These are the deeds under your mother's name, manors, ports, and business. Also the gold bars you asked for. It's all set.
Then please, Countess, send these boxes to Duke Edward's manor.
All right, as you wish.
Sister, tell me, how does it feel, marrying that crippled prince? Joke of the royals?
One more word, then I'll change my mind.
You can't scare me. Lucian loves me, I know it. He keeps you around only because he pities you. When he finds out I'm his bride, he'll be thrilled.
Yeah, he'd better. Thrilled to death.
The royal wedding procession and the Duke's household have all arrived. Put on your veil, quick!
Soon I'll be the princess,
The future queen!
Count Austin, I'm here to pick up Eileen. Also, a small gift for Vera.
Bride switch was a brilliant move. Lucian cares so much for Vera. When he finds out, he'll be absolutely delighted.
Look at this one, grand and luxurious, and the other one, plain as can be. They are both Count's daughters, but totally different fate.
Thank God Vera's not marrying him, or her life is ruined.
Count Lington, His Highness sent me to bring back to the bride. Come inside.
Eileen, I'm here.
Lady Vila, please come with me to the Duke's residence.
Depart!
Lucian, happy wedding day.
This doesn't feel right. Like I'm about to lose something. Eileen!
Surprise! Your Highness, it's me.
Vera? Why is it you? Where's Eileen?
Your Highness? Don't you like me?
This is all wrong. Stop the carriage! Eileen! Eileen!
点击下方链接观看完整视频。